What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me again on another episode. Yes, that is my video playing on the TV. You can watch it in high def on your TV, on your computer, anywhere you feel like. Just please remember, go subscribe, hit the like button on this video, and let's get started. Alright, thanks for coming back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to take you guys on an all-expense-paid trip to Asia. We're going to be making Hoisin beef and Bok Choy over rice. Let's get started. Alright, so right here, I got some flank steak all sliced up, really thin, like that. Pretty much like stir fry. You can go to the store and buy like stir fry beef. And what I marinated this in is 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 1 tablespoon chopped up ginger. Alright, so here we got some sliced onions, peppers, scallions, and carrots. I got a tablespoon of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar, but the best vinegar to use for this one is rice wine vinegar. Yeah. I got a tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And we're going to top it off with some sesame seed, and these are just the brands that I've used for this recipe. Also some bean sprouts and bok choy. I know in Jamaica we call this Bok Choy. Alright, so you want to get your pan really hot. Some oil in the bottom. And this is what we're going to add our beef in. Alright, here we have our rice. I won't be showing you guys how to do the rice, but I have used jasmine rice with, so it's basically 1 cup of jasmine rice, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 cup of water, and then just let that steam. So now our pan is really hot. We're just gonna add our beef in. Alright, so you basically want to sear this on a high heat so that it gets a nice caramelized color on it. Don't move it too much. Just wait, probably like 2 minutes, and then you start turning them. Alright, our steak is pretty much done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out, set it aside, and keep our juices. And please remember, season as you go. Season to your liking. I usually don't say it in my videos because I don't want to tell you the amount of salt or pepper you should use. I mean, it's to your liking. Alright? So let's go ahead and reduce the heat and take our beef out. Alright, so with all that goodness from our steak, we're just going to add our onions to it. Some scallion and saute. So after sauteing your onions, let's start with making the sauce for the pan. I'm going to add my vinegar, brown sugar, and let that melt so that everything can be deglazed, all the fond, all that goodness, everything from the bottom of the pan can just come off. So give that about 2 minutes, and then you can take it off. Alright, so I switched pans so that we'll be able to accommodate more food in the pot. And we're just going to add our 1 tablespoon soy sauce and our 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add our bok choy to the pot. We're not going to cook this bok choy for too long because we don't want to overcook it. And also, we're going to add the rest of our veggies. Alright. Give it a good stir and cover it for about 2 minutes. Look at our bok choy and veggies and all that goodness in one pot. Now we're just going to add our beef. And just lightly blend everything in. Just going to go ahead, add our bean sprouts. Had a good handful of bean sprouts. So now we're all done. Hoisin beef and bok choy over jasmine rice. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment. Until next time, look more.